Okay, today I'm going to do some chainsaw work. Step one, prepare your equipment. I have a spare saw or chain, but currently I am sharpening this one. Gas, bar oil. Yes, indeed, I have my little other kit here, but I'm not chopping trees down. I'm just cutting stumps down. So I don't think I'm gonna need much of this. Just getting ready to go saw some stumps down. More to come for today. This will be a ongoing, probably, I don't know how many minutes this will be. I don't know if that's how you do it, but that's kind of how I jam it in there to sharpen these chains. I just kind of run the tool with the dang bit on it that says this thing on it. Pack of 3. Here's a new pack that I have ready to go. 3/16 chain. Another chain. This is a Husqvarna something other. 445 X-Torq 50:1 ratio. Had it a long time. Works really good. Whoa, my. Okay, that is completed. So I dug down, right? So the ground is the grass, right? That's where I want it level. Dug down, gonna take the chainsaw. Best attempt, right? Not to get the dirt, chainsaw in the dirt or rocks. But I just need it low enough so grass can start going that other direction. All right, let's see how it goes. We'll get ready. Yesterday, didn't have much success with the chainsaw cutting. I had a bad chain, I believe, so I went and bought a new one today. Brand new teeth facing the right direction, cutting. Let's give it a shot, see how this goes. Well, folks, this is the one that I started with yesterday when I was trying my old chain. Well, I've knocked out 1, 2, 3, 4 so far, and now it's time to get this guy. Yeah, I'm not excited because there's tile in here from when I was doing the tile job last 2023, and there's who knows what else. So if I hit a rock or a piece of tile, my chain goes wonky. I don't know why. All right, here we go. Whew! I am tired of running the chainsaw. Tired of running the chainsaw. For the day, folks. All I gotta do now is kick Stumps down the hill and maybe run the weed eater, which is not heavy and it's electric, so it'll be easy to start. Okay. Adios. Deuces.